Good morning, friends. Happy day to all of you. So, friends, there's big news. Social Security beneficiaries can expect to see huge changes made to their monthly benefits, and President Biden has also announced his new plan to address Social Security's issues. This includes allocating billions of dollars towards a program and monthly benefits. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. If you are a Social Security recipient, also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways.
For reflecting the values of our country based on her leadership in terms of listening to the American people, meeting their kitchen table needs, and again, advancing us into the future. We've said about many of these initiatives, when we pass this, we will be making history. Not only that, we will be making progress, thanks to the leadership of Madam Chair Rosa DeLauro, chair of the committee. It's a source of great joy to me because I served on the committee with her, saw her leadership then and now as chair. With these bills, let me just describe, people said, what's a minibus? A minibus is a mini bus. It's not an omnibus. Sometimes we would have a bill that contained all of the appropriations bills, omnibus. This is a minibus which contains 6 of the bills, 6 very important pieces of legislation, and hopefully we will move soon to pass the others. With these bills, our Democratic majority advances many of our nation's cherished principles and priorities, including job creation, expanding opportunity, and protecting health and well-being. Let us salute the masterful Madam Chair Rosa DeLauro, a maestro of the appropriations process, who is a constant source of inspiration, leadership, and strategic.
Earlier this year, a recent poll found that 89% of retirees are currently leaning on Social Security as a major or minor source of their income. Meanwhile, 84% of non-retirees anticipate needing their retired worker benefit to help pay bills when they hang up their work coats for good. So in other words, Social Security is vital to the financial well-being of millions of Americans. Since Social Security is primarily funded by the payroll tax on earned income, it cannot go bankrupt as long as people continue to work and pay their taxes. However, the most recent Social Security Board of Trustees report implies that sizable benefit reductions are not too far off if deficiencies within the program are not dealt with. For example, the trustees report highlighted a combined funding shortfall in the Old Age and Survivors Insurance Trust Fund of $20.4 trillion over the next 75 years. This shortfall is due to a long list of factors. If lawmakers were to fail to address these issues, the report predicts that an up to 23% reduction in monthly benefits would become necessary for the trust fund by 2034 to sustain payouts through 2096 without any additional cuts. The Old Age and Survivors Insurance Trust is responsible for doling out benefit checks to 47.9 million retired workers each month. And this is not the only issue. Since the year 2000, the purchasing power of Social Security income has declined by jaw-dropping 40%. The problem is that Social Security's annual cost of living adjustment does a very poor job of accounting for the inflation that senior citizens are contending with. Friends, the key word for this video is Canadian links. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways. Social Security desperately needs attention by lawmakers, and this was a pledge that President Biden made during his campaign before winning the presidency. Prior to taking office, President Biden laid out 4 changes he wanted to see made to Social Security that would generate additional revenue and funnel larger payments to those who needed them most. Arguably, the most popular change proposed by now President Biden is having the well-to-do pay more into the system. The second change that President Biden proposed was increasing the primary insurance amount doled out to age beneficiaries. The reason for this change is that as people age, some of their expenses can rise a lot faster than COLA attached to their Social Security benefit. A third Social Security change offered by Biden during his campaign was to enhance a special minimum benefit. In 2022, a lifetime low earner with 30 years of coverage would receive a monthly benefit of almost $951. The issue is this is not anywhere close to the federal poverty level. President Biden's proposal suggests increasing Social Security's special minimum benefit to 125% of the federal poverty level. So instead of $951, a lifetime low-earning worker with 30 years of coverage could be receiving nearly $1,416 per month under Biden's plan in 2022. The fourth and final Social Security change that President Biden wants to make is to switch the program from the CPIW to the Consumer Price Index for the elderly. According to many top economists, the CPIW has done a very poor job of accounting for the inflation that seniors are facing, which has resulted in a 40% loss of purchasing power this century. Since the vast majority of Social Security recipients are seniors, utilizing an index that solely focuses on expenditures important to aged Americans should lead to more accurate COLAs on an annual basis. So friends, what are your thoughts on these proposed changes to Social Security? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, friends, for joining me here and watching or listening to my videos. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday morning.